What's up, everybody? It's Vishawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. And listen, it is so cool to be blind. I really, truly love being blind. Do I wish I could see? No. Now, sometimes I might drop something and I know it's right there. Sometimes I might bump my head or something like that. But other than that, nah. And I'm going to tell you why. Being blind for me has opened up so many doors in life. Why? Because people want to know, what does the blind man have to say? How did he get in this room? Right? I love it. I absolutely love being blind. And guess what? That helps me in my life's mission. It helps me with my work, with what I love doing that doesn't feel like a job, which is helping other people cope with their blindness. See, I don't want to cope. I want to master it, right? When I first became blind, let's rewind the tape a minute. When I first became blind about 19 years ago, I cried for about 5 minutes. And then I said, I'm going to be the best dang going, and I used the word DA, blind person that I could be. And I'm going to learn from every blind person that I come across. And I'm going to master technology, and I'm going to teach other people technology. And so that was my declaration. That was my constitution to myself 20 years ago. Now, it took 20 years to become an overnight success. And speaking of success, this is one measurement of it. Listen, turn me up in the YouTube algorithms. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Like, share, and subscribe. If you're getting anything from this, like, share, and subscribe. Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. But listen, 20 years to become an overnight success. Right? Now, in my business, I wanted to travel the world and teach technology. I didn't want to be local, driving around, asking the state for 57 cents a mile and doing all that bullcrap calculation. I wanted to be global. I wanted to go to Barbados and teach the government there, and I did it. I wanted to be in South Dakota and teach the government there, and I did it. I wanted to be in Washington and Philadelphia and Virginia and Delaware and all over the world, right? Jamaica, Bahamas, Mexico, California. And 20 years later, I've done it. But I couldn't do it not being the best me that I could be, which was a blind me. And so I really, truly love being blind. I love walking out of the house with my cane. I love getting in the Uber. I love all the things the nuances that being blind affords me, right? Because listen, you guys know I'm a big proponent on three things: looking good, feeling good, and smelling good, right? And that sense of smell, that sense of empowerment, that feel that you have when you look good is amazing. Do you hear what I'm telling you? See, when you look good, people look at you. And when you feel good, people want to know, why are you smiling and you blind as a bat? And when you smell good, oh, that just bring them in. I'm telling you something that I know, that I've mastered over a 20-year period. Actually, over a lifetime, because feeling good was always a thing. Looking good was always a thing, right? But listen, think about it. When you blind and you look good, and I'm not talking about physical. I don't know. I might be the ugliest dude you guys ever seen, but when I throw on that suit, when I put on that outfit, oh my God. Now, it is truly 5:58 in the morning, so I just got on my knock around. I've been recording content and editing content and uploading content, for the last 2.5 hours. But When you feel good, when you look good, when you smell good, that trifecta, man, and then you blind. And listen, on top of it, you blind. So you done mastered what most men and women haven't mastered their whole life, and you blind. And you walk like a pimp. No, I'll just play. But if you walk with it, with the cane, ooh, listen, I love it. I love it. Listen, I've closed so many deals being the knowledgeable blind person that can get it done. I've closed so many deals being a highly respected person in my field. I've closed so many deals by looking good, feeling good, and smelling good, being positive, right? Being positive, being out there, and your smile matches your handshake. That's a big deal. That's a ultra big deal. So listen, if you want to change the trajectory of your income, your mindset, your thought patterns, your maneuvers, your household, change the way you feel, change the way you look, change the way you smell, and work on things like your verbiage and your mental health, right? And start casting a dream and watch how changing you. Because, see, I always realized that the problem with my business was me, but I also knew that the solution to my business becoming successful was me. So think about that. All right. So listen, if you don't love being blind, if you don't love it and love it alive, and you need some help, you need some encouragement, you need somebody to talk to, listen, that's what we do. That's what we do. And we teach you technology because technology is changing the world. Remember they told us years ago, computers going to change the world? Hey, we here now. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. All right, so listen, let's change the world, and let's change the world together, being super cool while we do it.